Okay, so I may have gone a little crazy in the Tarte Christmas sale, and it's okay though, right? I mean, it's for YouTube? No, it's just because I wanted it. I'm sorry. It's just because I wanted it, okay? Let's go through it together. You guys ready? Let's go. All right, so the first thing that I got was this item right here, and it says it was $44 for a $150 value. Now, of course, at the Christmas sale, you know, everything is like half off, so I didn't even pay $44, but here we go. I thought that everything that was in the collection this year was so beautiful with like all the jewels, very like Middle Eastern Moroccan or something. It was so beautiful. So I was so happy to get some of this stuff, but this is the first one. I mean, how beautiful is this? Come on, seriously, look at this. And I already know, like, I have multiple blush palettes. I don't care. The Amazonian clay blushes are some of my very favorite formulas. So I don't even mind having one of like every color, one that comes out every year. Okay, so for the rest of the video, if my dogs are in the background just wrestling and stuff, please just bear with me. Apparently they're telling me I gotta do this quick. All right, so the next thing we got was this. I don't even know what it was. Honestly, one thing I don't like sometimes about ordering from Tarte is that everything takes so long to get here. So it's like you order it and then it takes a month to get to you, right? So I don't even know. Okay, this is Master the Cat Eye set, okay? And in here, I forgot. Okay, this one comes with a pair of lashes. I don't know if you can see that, but they are something like that. Oh, yes, they have the cute little sex kitten, like with the little ears. Can you see this? Probably not. Oh my gosh. But how cute with the little ears on the lid. Oh, okay, I like those liners a lot. What else is in here? Oh, there's more. Okay. That was so infomercial. But wait, there's more. There's the Tartist Pro. Oh, this is the lash glue, I'm pretty sure. Is that? Yeah, for the lashes. And then this is the Lash Paint Mascara. I'll probably throw this in a giveaway pile because even though this mascara isn't bad, I have so many mascaras and I don't need any more right now. So, and then this is the Tartist Pro Glitter Liner in white gold. I'm pretty sure I have this too. Doesn't matter, but I have it. So happy about this one. That's a good set. I don't know if all of these have like fun little names or anything. Okay, so the next thing, so cute. Another of that same eyeliner, another of the mascara, and then one of the kohl liners. Okay, sweet. All right, I'm gonna be stocked up on black eyeliners. All right, so the next thing is going to be this Tarte High Performance Naturals. Oh, sweet. I remember. This has one of the mini Amazonian clay blushes. It has a little mini roller ball of their perfume, and it has one of their lip paints. I really like their lip paints. I think that the formula is really good. This color is called Ravish, and it's kind of like an orangey coral. It's a really pretty color. If you guys have watched any of my videos, then you know that I'm horrible at describing scents. Ooh, it's sweet, but not like cotton candy sweet. Ooh, I like it though. It's hard to describe. I'm so sorry, you guys. I suck at this. I suck at trying to describe scents. Some people have that gift. I'm not one of them. I'm sorry. If I was smart, I would have like opened all of these things beforehand so that I would just be ready to go, but no. So this one was retailing for $39. It's supposed to be a $116 value. But can we talk about this packaging? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And purple is my favorite color. It's got this cool like gold intricate over. Oh my gosh, it's giving me like Moroccan vibes, right? Totally Moroccan vibes. Okay, so there are 4 blush colors in here of genuine, breathtaking, graceful, and lovable. So, oh my gosh, how pretty are these? They're so beautiful. And I know I already have that Tarte blush wheel, and I have one from last year, and I just got the mini. But you know what? I can never have enough of the Tarte blushes. Can't. I just don't. Well, maybe I can, but I'm going to say I can't. Okay? I can't. I saw this and I was like, ooh, I almost pulled the trigger on Sephora's website. So I was super excited when I saw that it was half price after Christmas on the Tarte website. This is their highlighter that they came out with in Goddess Glow. Now, I've heard some mixed reviews on this. People are saying that it was a bit too chunky. But I mean, oh my gosh, the packaging. How beautiful is this? And not only that, but can we talk about this pan size? Like, hello? This is huge. That's what she said. But seriously, it's so pretty though. It could just sit on my vanity and never even be on my face and I would still be okay with it. It's so pretty. This is the Be Happy, Be Bright, Be You. So this one actually comes with a makeup bag like this that has what I just said on it. And then it has more of that Gleam Team highlighter. It's got one of these lipsticks that has the lipstick on one side, and then on the other side it has a corresponding gloss. I love when they do that. And then it has another blush in here. And this is Ravish too. You know what? Because I already have this, maybe I will toss this one in the giveaway pile. I always have a box of goodies that I'm working on for my next giveaway. I will totally toss that in there. This is the Tarte Ready Set. Of course it's all Tarte, okay? But it's the Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist, okay? So love that. Oh, and it has another one of the Mini Ball perfumes. So sweet, okay. That's good because I actually like that scent, so I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm looking at this and I understand it looks bad. It's all blushes and you know, you think I'm gonna stop. No, apparently not. So the next thing I've got is this Kiss and Blush Cream Cheek and Lip Palette. So, oh, there you go. So it has lip stuff in there too, but like, look how beautiful they are, right? It has a huge mirror, but it's got lips and lipstick and all of the cream blushes. Sometimes, like especially in the wintertime, I love cream blushes because when your skin is so dry, it feels good to put on instead of a powder. It feels good to put on, you know, a kind of more of a cream or liquid. Oh, I forgot they gave a free sample. It's the Tarte Lip Paint in, I don't know the color, but honestly, I have so many of these, I will toss this in the giveaway pile. So I will do that. Remind me to do that, okay, if I haven't done that. Okay, so the next thing we have, this is the $42, but it was a $120 retail value. And these are all of the, what are they calling these? High Performance Naturals Lippy Lingeries. High Performance Naturals Lippy Lingeries. That is a mouthful, okay? But they've got, how cute are these like lids? All these different lids with all of these like designs. And these are Delight, Desire, Enticing, Lacy, Enchanting. So those are the colors on that. These are so beautiful. I love they're kind of like these rose colored like naturals and pinks. Love that. Okay, so the next, oh yes. And can we talk about just how beautiful their packaging was this year? Tell me how, is this not fab? I'm sorry, come on. Tarte makes some of the most beautiful Z palettes because they have these full, huge mirrors inside. But I mean, this is just, it's stunning. It's so stunning. It's a full-size mirror, right? And then this entire, for your Z palette and all of your items, like, oh, I'm sorry, they're so good. They're so good. I have another one and they're just, I love these. I love them. Okay, next we've got, this was $36 for a $64 retail value, and look at, it's a collection of 8 of their mini lip paints, and the cool thing about this one as well is they actually had 2 separate, you know, 4-packs like this, and they had like the to and from. So what you could have done, or what I would do, I would totally buy these, give them to like Valentine's, or, you know, I'm sure they meant them to be stocking stuffers or anything like that, but I bought them at like after Christmas, so I would give them for Valentine's Day, absolutely. But these are so pretty. Tarte makes one of my favorite formulas in lip paints, so I like this one a lot. And then, yeah, another set of them. But right, can we talk about how pretty, and they all have these pretty lids. I love these. I love these so hard. I got 3 more lip items. I know it's all lips and cheek, but what can I say? Sometimes a girl likes what she likes. This is the Tarte NG Noir Lip Surgent Skintuitive Lip Gloss. So I think these are the ones that are supposed to kind of color change on you based on your own pH. So I was really excited to try this. So I got this one, as well as I got another one. And again, Lip Surgeon's lip gloss, and this one is in the color of Flush. So a little bit more pinky on that. I think the other one's supposed to be more berry. And then I got one more, and I was so excited about this one too. I know I said that about all of them, but I really was really excited about this one. Never mind, I forgot I got one more. This is the Energy one. So, and this is in the color, oh, it's just Energy. So I got another one of the Lip Surgeon's Intuitive glosses. And then, okay, where's the other one hiding? And there's one more. This is the one I was thinking was the last one. I was very excited. Oh gosh, I literally ripped into the packaging. It's destroyed now because I got too excited. Okay. But this is the top coat in tinsel, and look at the bejeweled lid. Sorry, I could just stare at you all day. I love you. I love you. I didn't even care what color. But anyways, this one has a gold with kind of like pink reflective shimmer in it, and it's a top coat for your lips. I was very excited about this one. Oh, you know what? There was something else that I bought. Whoops. It's just I moved it, and I couldn't not start using it as soon as it came in. I was really good about everything else. I waited for this video to unbox it. I mean, but there's one, where is it? So I think that everyone and their mom is a fan of the Tarte Shape Tape when it comes to their concealers, and I like it too, but I decided, and I don't even know where it is right now, because I think it's in the bathroom where I was using it, but I decided to try out their Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Concealer, and it's a little bit more lightweight, but I still think that it gives great coverage and still brightens up a lot, and I had gotten the color light medium neutral. So if you are one of the people out there who thinks maybe the Shape Tape is a little too drying, you might want to check this one out. I know they have one of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea like foundations, and so I know that they kind of come in like the whole line. So I would encourage you though, if you're one of the people who think that maybe Shape Tape is a little too drying, maybe check out this concealer. It comes with a big doe foot wand, you know, just like the Shape Tape does, and you can still put it in all the great spots, and you can highlight and brighten and conceal with it. And I think it's a really good one, and I think it's a little bit more forgiving and lightweight, so I do enjoy that concealer a lot. But that is really truly it now. That's everything that I got from the Tarte after Christmas sale. You guys, do you have a favorite item from Tarte? If you do, let me know that, you know, I'm not alone in my love for Tarte. I think I've said it before, but I think it is probably my favorite makeup brand. So if you have a favorite item, let me know what it is, and I'll see if I haven't discovered it yet, because there are always so many cool items out there. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye guys!